Welcome. Let me explore with you how to create outline drawing that you can use for your coloring book through the use of MidJourney. So let's give this a try. This is my first time of giving this a try. I go to my MidJourney. Then as usual, how do we type? We type the word. If you have not watched my previous video now to register your MidJourney to your Discord, you can quickly do that with my previous videos. Slash imagine prompt, then imagine cats and rats outline drawing. Illustration. Okay, let me get more as that is generating. Imagine again that the other one is loading like that. So let's see how it goes. um um Apple, let me use the word line hearts for coloring. Line hearts, Apple line hearts. Okay, this is not okay, this is not going to be bad. Two rats together. That means, okay, let me see the number two. The number two is not going to be bad. If you press U2, it's going to bring a lot of the rats, and then the children can color this. I think this is not bad. Then Apple, yes, I like this, although some of them are colored. So let me go back again. Let me still do my slash imagine color. Okay, let me write coloring page this time. Well, no, it won't bring what I want with that. I'll be specific. Let me try and write what can I write this time? I am clueless. Okay, there was something I search. Why is this bringing Apple line hearts? Okay, that means line art is not the right word. The right word is for me to use the word outline drawing. Okay, let me search the word Apple outline drawing. Okay, then after that, let me search again the same rats. Big rats outline arts. Imagination. Okay, let me search again. Just as much as possible, just be creative about it, and then you are going to be getting a lot of results as you can. Okay, imagine, then let me use car outline arts, outline image, illustration. Okay, so let me take my time and go and look at. Hey, this is not what I need. At least I got this right. So the children can use this for coloring. Definitely this rat, I got it 100%. That means you can use this depending on your creativity. Everything is there. So this 100%. That means the word outline drawing is the best word to use. Okay, children. Now let me add a taste of children attached to it. Okay, cat outline drawing with a child. There was something I wrote. Let me see. There was some statements. There was the word illustration. Okay, illustration, and realistic. Okay, and imagine. What else can I look for this time? Animal, outline, drawing. Line hats. It's number 3 that I need. Now, under this number 4, under this number 4, if I click on V4, it's going to generate more under it. And definitely from here, and I understand that it's going to understand what the kind of concept I need. So this is how it works. You have to give it a try. The cat is coming up, a very big, giant cat. With the other cat, we can see that this time I'm now getting it right. So it is the matter of exploration. The more you explore, the more you unlock the possibilities. The elephant is very nice. That means if you are trying to get a coloring book, this is actually for you. I don't like the lines. I think there's a statement I wrote here that is bringing those background lines. But definitely all these ones, I'm fine with them. And the car, yes, coloring car. And I like the apple. Number 1 apple is not bad. This is the best of all. Remember how to save. You click on it, you click on the 3 dots, then you save on your phone. So this is how it works. Give it a try and watch more video on how to use these arts. Thank you.